Here's the quarter note. Quarter notes usually receive one count. And here's the 4 quarter note. Let's do it together with clapping hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have half note. Half notes receive 2 counts. 1, 2. Then here we have a rhythm of the quarter note and the half note. 1, 2, 3, 4. The dotted half note that with 3 counts. The dot means half of the half note. And so then half note plus a quarter note receive 3 counts. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3. Time signature here that the bar line divide notes into measures, and each measure has 3 beats. Quarter notes receive 1 count, and we have a double bar line. Now let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's whole note for 4 beats. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have quarter note plus whole note. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, quarter rest. Quarter rest receive just like a quarter note, 1 count. But this 1 count is a rest. We have 3 quarter notes plus a quarter rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try this one here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, rest. We have a half rest. Half rest is like a hat. It's like a hat here, and that's usually receive 2 beats. And we have a 4/4 time signature here with a half note for 2 beats and then half rest. 1, 2, rest, rest. Here is the whole rest. Whole rest is to rest for the entire measure. The music ends with a double bar line. Then there's 2 dots added. It's called repeat sign. Here's a rhythm drill. Usually you start with tempo marking like adagio, andante, moderato, allegro, or presto. Adagio very slow. Andante is like a walking speed. Moderato, medium speed. Allegro, fast. And presto, very fast. It's usually written in Italian at the beginning of the music. And here we have the quarter note, half note, dotted half note, and the whole note. And that's a triple clef with a 4/4 time signature. The upper 4 means 4 beats per measure, and the lower 4 means quarter notes receive 1 count. Let's count aloud. We'll count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tempo, moderato. And let's do it slower with adagio when we repeat. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try the faster tempo. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you tried it, you'll find out that it's harder. So when you start the music, you always start in a slower tempo and then gradually increase your speed. Next, we'll talk about fingering. We have 5 fingers, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is very important that you follow your fingering 4 times each on each fingering. 1, 1, 1, 1. 2, 2, 2, 2. 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5. And backwards, 5, 5, 5, 5, 4, 4, 4, 4, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. When playing piano, you wanted to relax your shoulders. You will level your hands onto this piano here and feel like you are holding a bubble, forming a curved, rounded shape. And it's like holding a bubble inside of that hand. So your shoulders relax and your arms leveled, and you use your fingertips to play only. Do not use the pad area, just the fingertips. And sit tall, lean slightly forward. Black keys area, we have set of 2s and set of 3s. Curve your fingers and count out loud so you are listening to your rhythm. 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2. You can see my fingers. Now we're going to start this time from 3-2 to 3. And I want you to follow the fingering, start from beginning to the end. 3, 2, 2, 3. Counting aloud is helping you. 3, 2, 2, 3. 3, 2, 2, 3. 3, 2, 2, 3. 3, 2. 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 3, 4, 4, 3, 3, 4, 4, 3, 3, 4, 4, 3, 3, 4, 4, 3, 3, 4, 4, 3, 3, 4, 4, 3, 3, 4. Little finger is the pinky is much shorter, but then if you level, you curve your fingers and level it, and can play them well. Although that fourth and fifth fingers are not as easy to control. 5, 4, 4, 5, 5, 4, 4, 5, 5, 4, 4, 5, 5, 4, 4, 5. 5, 4, 4, 5, 5, 4, 4, 5, 5, 4, 4, 5. We are moving to set of 3s. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Count aloud. Ready, go. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Let's try 4, 3, 2. Ready, go. 4, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4. Ready, go. 5, 4, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3. 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3. 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3. 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3. 3, 4, 5. There are 7 musical alphabet. That is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. After that will be A, so that A and 8 is an octave apart. Octave is A notes apart. So you will find that there are A's, and we will start with thumb to do the A's, and just follow the fingering to do all the A's from bottom to top. Remember that on a standard piano, the bottom note, the lowest note is an A, and the highest note is a C. Let's try from A. 1, A, 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 A. Now let's do the second finger on B. B is on the right side of the 3, so do 2 on B and stay with 2. 2, 2, B, 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 B. Now, next one, middle finger to do the C's. C is on the left side of the 2. And in the middle here, usually at the middle of the piano, we call this one here is a middle C. So let's start from bottom C here with the fingering 3 and stay with your fingering 3. C, 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 C. Now next will be 4th fingers on D. And D is in the middle of set of 2, and that's easy to recognize. D, 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 D. And if you like to, you can also coming down with the 4th finger and to complete the entire up and down. In the keyboard, the lower part is in your left hand side, and in your right hand side is getting higher. E is on the right hand side of the set of 2. Now curve your fingers and go. E, 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 E. And then come down. Thumb to play F. F is on the left side of the 3, left side of the 3. So use your thumb to do that. Thumb, F, 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 F. Then F, 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 F. Next will be G by 2nd finger. G, G by 2. G, 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 G. Okay, so then it goes back to the A.